Hello weekend warriors, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in this video, I will be cleaning the interior of this Vauxhall Corsa. Go back and see my last video if you want to see the exterior cleaning of this car. As always, here are a few before and after shots. Stay tuned to see the cleaning steps I perform for the entire process. I decided not to wet vac the seats on this occasion as there wasn't a single stain on them. However, I will definitely be going over the carpets as there is quite a bit of dirt on these due to the lack of car mats at the front. I purchased a new set of car mats that will complement the car nicely now. Please see the description below for the products used in this video. To the far left we have carpet shampoo, followed by all-purpose cleaner, followed by window cleaner, and then some plastic protectant to give a shine to the tired plastics on the car. For today's clean we'll be using Charles the wet vacuum, Henry the dry vacuum, and the Karcher K4 pressure washer. I start off by shampooing the boot floor liner. A general purpose brush allows a thorough clean, removing any stains. Prior to the brush, I've sprayed on the shampoo, use a drill brush to agitate and lift the dirt to the top of the pile, and jet washed off. I then sprayed on more carpet shampoo and agitate as seen here. I start with the boot floor as it has more chance to dry as I continue to clean the rest of the car. Of course, you may not have the equipment lying around in your house that I am using, so drenching the carpets with chemicals and water is not ideal if you can't leave it to dry outside on a hot day. If this is the case, I would advise use less chemicals and mop up the moisture using a dry microfiber towel. I use a wet vac to dry the carpet 70 to 80% of the way and let it air dry outside thereafter. The last thing you want in your car is damp from the cleaning causing mold. As with all of my previous videos, cleaning cars does not need to cost a fortune. To achieve good quality results, all of the products you see in the video today can be bought for less than £10, which brings the total chemical cost of this clean to pennies, as not all of the products were used up. Inside the car, I start off by vacuuming the carpets to remove all of the stones and debris sitting on top of the carpet pile. Once the carpet is hoovered, I move on to the seats, and again make sure to cover all areas from headrest down to the seat. Next I use the paintbrush to lift off any dust sitting on top of the plastics, of which there are loads. I brush towards the hoover so the dust doesn't settle elsewhere. Repeat this process for under the wheel well. Once you have vacuumed the loose debris, use an all-purpose cleaner to degrease the wheel well and also the spare wheel. Just look at how nasty that microfiber towel is after cleaning just this section. The plastic surrounding the driver's side door entrance had a lot of grime from the owner of the car going in and out, so I hit this section before the carpet as I didn't want this to further contaminate the carpets. I use an all-purpose cleaner and agitate with a detailing brush and wipe off the muck with a microfiber towel. I then repeat this cycle with a magic eraser before I'm satisfied with the results. spray on a moderate amount of carpet shampoo onto the carpet. Next, I use the drill and brush attachment to agitate the dirt embedded into the carpet, which helps lift the dirt to the top of the carpet pile, and using the wet vac afterwards, I'll remove any of the newly loosened dirt and excess moisture, of course. I turn my attention to the pedals next. The microfiber cloth catches any dirty runoff from the all-purpose cleaner. The use of a general purpose brush and a microfiber towel helps provide an overall better clean, helping remove the dirt stuck in between the pedals. I then hit the door card fabrics with the carpet shampoo, as these get a lot of body oils and dead skin stuck on them over time. Again, a brush is used to provide a deeper clean. Please comment below if you would like to see fabric car seats being deep cleaned in a future video. I know some of you like seeing the dirty water Charles has extracted, so here it is, being poured out into the drain. We are almost finished with this interior cleaning video. I hit up the plastics with an all-purpose cleaner and a magic eraser and dry using a microfiber towel. The center console gets a good going over as well, as this area gets used a lot. I use a detailing brush and a microfiber towel to get rid of any last remaining germs. The glass is the last component to be cleaned. Always use the dry side of your towel to buff off any streaks. The plastic protectant provides a deep sheen and is infused with a berry fragrance which leaves the car smelling fresh. If you liked what you saw in this video, please hit that subscribe button. Press that bell icon for future video notifications, comment on what you thought about the video, and thank you all so much for watching.